welcome back to my channel. This is Stacy and this is Wine and Dip. So today I'm doing a triple D mani. I got the December Diva box and I'll be using Vividip 7, 8, and 9. So Vividip 7 is this really pretty dark gray color. Vividip 8 is a really pretty lavender color. And then Vividip 9 is a glitter with foils in it. It's really pretty. So I'm going to put the lavender color on my ring finger, and I'm using my non-dominant hand to do this, so everything's a little bit slower. So what I'll do is I'll let you see the first layer slow, and then I'll speed it up for the other layers. I'm just doing one lavender nail as an accent, and then I'm going to be using the dark gray color on the rest of my nails, except for my thumb, where I'll be using the Vividip 9. The way that the Vividips work is every month, actually it's only been 3 months that Triple D has been doing the Diva boxes, but for the month that the Diva box is in, the Diva dips are the ones that are exclusive just to that box. So you can't get them on her website otherwise. And they're really pretty. I have all of them so far. Usually you can get the Diva boxes on the first of the month unless the first is a holiday. For instance, like January, since the first is a holiday, the first Monday after the holiday is when the Diva boxes will be on sale. So that would be the 4th, which is today. So I'll be trying to get that Diva box as well because so far they've been really awesome and they're not disappointing. I'm going to let you watch me work and then I'll be back. To pop back in really quick and explain what is on my nails before the dip powder. I have pink builder gel on my nails, and then I have a layer of gel top coat, and then I have a layer of peel base. And the layer of pink builder gel is really thin, and I put that layer on with polygel forms. I'll link the card to that video so you can see it if you're interested. It made it so much easier than using the paper forms, and I will definitely use that technique in the future. So I did clear cap my ring finger with the lavender, and then with this gray color I'm just going to do 3 layers and not clear cap because I'm not really worried about the color filing off as much. Because I was making the layers a little bit thicker, so I wanted to file off some of the color. So I'll let you watch me apply the gray and then I'll be back. part of this mani, which is using Vividip 9. It is so beautiful. I just love this. It's got glitters, it's got foils, it's purple, it's silver. It's everything I love about purple and glitter and dip. So look how gorgeous it is. I do show you once I have it on my thumb so you can see how pretty it is. And layering it, it still made it really pretty as well. Look how pretty. Anyway, I also wanted to review a champagne with you. Just a little note about champagne. Sparkling wine can only be called champagne if it has certain grape varietals and is produced in a certain way, and it's from a region known as Champagne in France. If it doesn't have these requirements, it can't be called champagne, and it's just sparkling wine. So today I have a 2005 Charles Gardet Prestige Champagne, and on Wine Enthusiast it has 93 points, and it retails for $100 a bottle. I did not pay $100 a bottle for this. I did get it from Gary V at a reduced cost, but I thought that was pretty crazy that that's what it retailed for. The wine is 70% Chardonnay and 30% Pinot Noir, and the tasting notes from the Charles Gardet website describe the wine as having freshness and structure, tasting of dry fruits, hazelnut, and toasted bread, ripe yellow grapefruit, very soft finish, and mineral notes. I definitely pick up the toast and mineral notes in this wine. It's different than more fruit-forward champagnes like Veuve. Veuve, for instance, you do taste some toast, but it has more fruit notes, and I think they're more like apple kind of notes. This one was definitely more on the what you'd think of a sparkling Chardonnay aspect, and it was more minerally and definitely toast. So this was purchased through Gary V Wine Club, and it was awesome. I really enjoyed it. If you're interested in understanding more about Gary V Wine Club, I will include a link so you can check it out. It is a really good way to get very high quality wines at a good price. So if you want to try a $100 bottle of wine, but you only want to spend $50 on it, that's a really good way to get that type of quality. So right now I'm just clear capping this gorgeous Vividip 9 nail, and then I will file and buff off camera. I also do a little ombre on my middle finger with the Vividip 9 off camera. I was having some trouble with it because it has foils in it. It's not just like a typical glitter. So I did not want to torture everyone with me having to like file it off, and it was a whole thing. So when I've mastered this type of technique, I will be sure to film it for you. So after I'm done clear capping, I will go ahead and activate all my nails, and then I'll come back and show you the nails filed, buffed, and that middle nail ombre'd. So here I am. I actually already activated my other nails because I was kind of just activating as I go. So then that way it cuts down on the wait time. So activating this really pretty Vividip 9 nail, and then coming back, you'll see I'm back. I have ombre'd that middle nail, and now I'm ready for some top coat. I will be using my Poolside Ice from CandiSkinCare as my cuticle oil. I love that scent. It smells like a lime popsicle, and it's amazing. So I want to thank you for watching. I will also have some pictures inserted at the end so you can see the mani close up, and I will catch you next time.